Good evening, this is Mark with your review really of what's been going on in December. I told you at the beginning of the month, ignore the experts who tell you that there's no money to be made in forex. If you look on the Euro USD chart, you will note that here on the 1st of December, price was up at 151. Covered this the other day, double treble top, price fell away. The price on this pair has moved 920 pips in a fairly straight line down this month. What has happened today is, this is the thing that I was being wary about all week, is that finally price pulled back. Now, do not start to think that this is a pullback with a fall away tomorrow. It could go anywhere tomorrow. This is now, a lot of people are closing their position for the end of the year. You may well find that price stays in this area tomorrow. It could have some movement to do with the USD core news. But it could basically shoot up, down, and then still settle back down here. I have no idea where it's going. I am not going to play. Aussie dollar, again, Aussie dollar, you've noticed that the Bollinger Band the candle had closed through it last night. We've now had, these candles are known as tram lines. It's a reversal signal under normal circumstances. We're now back up at 8,800. No idea again, leave it alone. New Zealand dollar done exactly the same. Bollinger Band's closed. This candle has gone through and outside the Bollinger Band, and as we have discussed on numerous occasions, when this happens, price invariably comes back inside the Bollinger Band. Again, this would normally be possible another pullback to this trend line and away. Again, all bets are off now. Why did this happen? Well, I showed you the last few days, I was showing you gold. Now, I do not trade gold. It doesn't look it on here, but gold is very volatile. And it's just something I have no experience with, and the odd time I have tried it got my fingers burnt, and very quickly. But notice what happened with gold today. Gold, we had the triangle breakout, and price has reversed almost to the pip at 78.6 fib. If anybody tells you that fibs are mumbo jumbo, tell them to stick that in the pipe as well. CAD, now the CAD did move today. I said last night, look for a pullback back up here near the trend line. It just simply went away. For me, no entry. I wouldn't be surprised if it stops down in this area here, just to tease us for the new year. Euro pound has been the best trade of the week. I think it was Catherine posted on the blog the other day. She'd taken this at 89.15. It looks so obvious now, and normally I would have taken this, but again, uncertainty. When in doubt, stay out. I left it alone. Dollar yen tried to get up to the 200 EMA, struggled again today. Wouldn't be surprised if it settles down here at 9100. What often happens when books close for the end of the year, markets close, price will end up at a logical area, either a psych level, whole number, trend line, whatever. Now, just to show you what has gone on in a nutshell over this year that's just gone, and what we can look forward to hopefully in the year to come. And this is the Euro USD on a weekly chart. And if you look on here, you will notice that in July 2008 there was a double top on a weekly chart. So a trade here at 16019 with a 30 pip stop. Had you placed it and left it, would have gone 3,760 pips in a 6 month period of time. I showed you the other day, price then pulled up to 78.6. A few weeks ago, you could have shorted here at 78.6 fib on a weekly chart, and you would currently be 890 pips up. I have been telling you all week the reason why I didn't take this trade was I suspected that the euro would struggle, because this is a weekly trend line that goes back to January 2009, and there is a 55 EMA there as well. It has struggled, and at the moment is bouncing back off here. So this move from the double top on the weekly, as I say, 3,500 pips, 78.6 rejection on the euro weekly. Swissy, this is the Swissy weekly chart. Again, you can look, had we fibbed it from here on a weekly, 78.6 pullback. It did go through and then close below. The next candle did go above 64 pips. 64 pips, it has fallen away 2,000. So, if you want to start trading off the longer term charts, then there is lots of hope here, because you can see simply on a weekly chart, price came up and touched, and as I have been telling you this week, has struggled at this weekly trend line, because all the traders over the world have got these trend lines on, and you can see on the bottom, 5-6 occasions throughout the year, price rejected here. Same with the pound. The pound on the weekly chart from August 2008, the pound fell from 200, which is the biggest psychological area on the pound, and the price fell 6,665 pips. Oh dear me. And where did it go? It went to the 50% fib, where it has struggled all year, but it has not closed above on a weekly chart, and price is now breaking back down through the 38.2. Stochastics pointing violently down. These are the moves we will be looking for in the new year. Again, I intend to trade off longer term charts, and when you look at this, it seems so transparently simple, it makes you wonder why some of us spend, and I have spent 12 hours a day in my early years sitting at a chart to get 30-40 pips. I think this is the way to go. I know it's the way to go. And as I say, the year ahead, I do intend more and more to trade off daily charts. I want to work an hour a day. I don't want this nonsense of getting up at 6 a.m. and still being there at 10 at night. Hope you enjoy your Christmas. We had loads of great feedback from people and some nice comments on Forex Peace Army. I said on the blog, there will be lots of articles posted over the Christmas holiday period to keep you informed, updated. If you've got time, don't waste your time trading on days when there's nobody else there. You will either end up depressing yourself over the Christmas holidays or having a mild victory, but just don't do it. If you wish to improve your trading, then study and restudy the videos in the strategy section. Go back over old charts like this one here and see where the opportunities lay. But last year, as I said, from January on the pound here, we had a move up of 3,500 pips, and this was replicated on lots and lots of pairs. And looking at this here, where we've been in the tight sideways range, then hopefully we're either going to get bounce trades back up or for 1,000 pips, or we could be on for some nice big moves down if the dollar strength continues. Once again, Happy Christmas, Happy New Year. There will be posts all over the Christmas period. If you intend to put an article or a video presentation in for the competition, please make sure you get it in at the latest by 23:59 hours GMT on Monday, 28th December. Have a great day.